Gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your 4D. Let's come in sharp. Look at that. This is the first JBQ Type-C cable that I bought. Damn, look at that. This is cool. And this is what I use right now. Can you see this? It's connected here and it's connected to my NVMe SSD enclosure, as you can see by yourself, and everything worked very great now, very great. This is from JBQ, and today I decided to buy another cable with something special. Get ready to see this because it's here. Can you see this? It's on this sachet below. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is definitely not a joke, and I want to make the unboxing with you all. Get ready because I'm excited. Now, look at that. This is the sachet, and bonus, as you can see, there's something, something very special. Okay, cool. Look at how it looks like. Damn. Okay, great. So let's remove this. Let's open the sachet. And what's inside? Damn. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, my friend. This is very crazy. Can you imagine? Can you imagine, bro? Damn. Look at both. This is just crazy. I have 1 meter length and this is 2 meter. Or what? 20 centimeters. For what? I will test this because I'm shocked. Okay, no problem. As you can see, this is 240 watt with 40 gigabytes per second transfer speed. But this is only 100 watt. You see, fast charging. Type-C to Type-C. Phase 1 is Type-C to Type-C PD. I don't know how to call this, but you can see this here. Type-C to Type-C PD cable. Okay, cool. Look at how it looks like. Look at the difference. Okay, cool. So let's start with the unboxing of the new one because there's something special. Look at very well. Can you see this? Look at the difference. This is definitely not a joke. There's something different here. But what? This. Ooh, this thing is different. You can see what mirror. Yeah. Can you see this? This is because of this. Only this. I decided to buy this. Yes, I have both of them. But because of this small thing, I decided to buy it. Damn. Even it's just 480 megabytes per second. Can you see the difference? I have 40 gigabytes per second transfer speed here and 480 megabytes per second. But I bought just this because I want this thing, bro. I want this technology. Can you see this? Built-in digital display of power. This is what I need. We need more power. Wow. This is how the box look like. Okay, cool. Okay, no problem. Let's start by unboxing this small box. 20 meter, 200 centimeter. This is 1 meter. Bro, let's see by herself. Let's open this and see the real size of this cable, because I want more. Okay. Oh, look at that. Boom. I feel that this cable is more than what I see. Honestly, I feel that this is more than 1 meter. Yes. I feel that this is 2 meter, honestly. Like I saw in the internet. Yes. Damn. This is a good surprise. Unexpected edition. This is cool. Okay, no problem. Let's start by removing this and this. Oh, bro. What an experience. The feeling is great. Ooh, look at the cable. Look at the cable. Damn. This is just crazy. Look at the difference between this cable and what you see here. Can you see this? This cable is definitely strong. Very, very strong. It's not expensive for nothing. It's very strong. And the color inside, wow, orange is the same with this. On the end of this video, you will see the unboxing of this video here on this screen. Get ready to see it. Now, look at that. Are you ready to see the size of this? Bro, the feeling is just beautiful. I like it. I love the feeling. Oh, it's so nice. Now, look at what I have here. Can you see this? I think that the first thing you need to do is just to remove this sachet from here. I need to remove this sachet first. But how to do it? How to do it? I don't know how to do it. How to remove this thing, bro? Okay. Bro, I don't know. Baseus, please tell me. Wow, as you can see, honestly, the feeling of this USB Type-C here when it touches here, it's very great. The feeling is great. I love it. Okay, so let's go for the first test. So let's remove this thing. Wow, the bit material is just wow. Let's see the size of the cable. Look at the size of this cable. Wow, this is more than 1 meter, honestly. I think that it's more than 1 meter. It's like 2 meter. It's very wow. It's very big. It's very big, honestly. I don't know how to tell you, but it's very big. Very big. So let's connect this to my computer. Okay. Oh, you need USB Type-C. No problem. We need USB Type-C. I want to remove this. This is 244 watts. But I'll show you how this cable look like. Can you see this? This is very strong also. You compare both of them. Let me zoom and show you very well. Now, look at that. Compare both of them. Look at the size. Wow. Look at how it's so different. Very different. Honestly, different. Very different. Can you see this? Damn. And look at now the size of a cable. Look at the size. This is like a baby. This is strong. Wow. I love this. Now, I want just to make a test. I can charge my phone with my computer. So let's take my phone. This is my phone. Okay. So let me do something good. Now it's on good size. Now this is my S9 Plus, my phone, and this beautiful girl. Okay, cool. I have this 53% of battery. Okay. Now I want to connect this to my computer first. Okay, my Wattage. Okay. Now it's connected, and I want to connect to this amazing phone right now and see what I will see here. Let's see if what people say is true. Let's see if what I see here is real. So let's go for a fun test. Yeah, this is fun. I take my pleasure right now. And what? Boom! 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 6 watts. Amazing. Can you imagine? You can see charging. Bro! I'm changing this phone with my computer. And the Wattage using Type-C. This is not Thunderbolt. It's not Thunderbolt. But you can charge your phone. 6 watts, seriously? 6 watts. Damn. This means that this thing what you see here work. Wow, this is crazy. I want just to remove this sachet. I don't know how to do this, but I need to do this right now. I need to remove the sachet. But how to do this, bro? How to do this? I don't know how to do this. I don't know. But I need to find solution right now to see how it look like really. How it really look like. Let's try how to do this, bro. It's definitely very strong, very strong. What can I do? But you need to remove it from here. I need to remove it from here. Okay. Damn, why is so difficult to do this? Wait, what is the strategy? Damn. Why is so difficult, bro? Why is it so difficult? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Why is so difficult? But you can see it work. Everything work great. Only change and use adapter, charger. You have receiver power, everything. Wow, bro, tell me how to remove this plastic. How to remove this plastic, bro? Because I don't know, honestly, how to do it. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Wow, this is very complicated. Even the plastic is strong. How is possible, my friend? How is possible? Okay, no problem. So now let me do something special. I want to remove this enclosure, this USB Type-C from this enclosure and put the new one here. Okay, the new one here. Can you see something? 1 watt. 1 watt. Only 1 watt. This is amazing. This thing show you what is happening with you when you use a battery, a charger, everything. It shows to you what you need to know. Wow, I need actually to find solution to remove this sachet, honestly. Wow, damn. Okay, I will find solution after. But you can see by yourself, it's not a joke. It's real. Wow. So let me make a speed test right now of this thing. Let me make a speed test. Okay? Follow me. Just a speed test. With some things, I have problem with my USB Type-C. Sometimes I need to do something to fix it. Let's open this. Oh, it's disconnected. Cable disconnected. When it's disconnected like that, I need actually to do something. So let's put this cable in a good position and try it again. Remove to connect. Disconnected also. No noise. Open. Open the page. It's not connected. Let's remove this and connect again. Let me do this. I don't know why, but nothing appeared. Why? Remove. Connect again. No, I see something. I see something. Oh, look at that. Wow. I feel that we have a problem with my USB Type-C here is not working great anymore. But sometimes it works. So let this quick fishing. Let's see if it can give me what I'm looking for. Okay, let's open this page, go on performance, F. Look at what I have here. Can you see this? 42 megabytes per second. This is not good. So I need to disconnect this again, connect again, because that is not good. So good fit. Now come here, do the same action. Let's start the test. Look at what I have here. 42 megabytes per second. Nana, I don't want this. So let's disconnect this and connect it again. Okay, disconnect it. Okay, and let's go for the test. F, go F. Look at what I have. I don't know if we have a problem or something. But let me see what I have. This is not good. My USB Type-C has a little problem, so I don't know where is the problem coming from. Let's do receive only like this because this is not good. And go for a test again, remove, connect again. No, I won't just change each position by this or this position. Put this in this position. No. Okay, good. Now let me put this quickly again. Okay. F, large, come here, F. Damn, look at it, the same thing. Damn, this is not fair. Okay, maybe there problem somewhere. I will make my own test to see. So let's go test first quickly. Let's change this cable. Okay, change this cable with the old cable from this. Where is the cable? The cable is here. Look at the size of this cable. Can you see this? No. Let's take this cable from this. Okay. And put this here. Do it. Let's try again. How to do it? Try again. Nice. Now let's connect this enclosure. Okay, let me do it. It's connected. It's connected. As you can see. Now let's make the test right now. Let's see what if you have a problem or something. And click on F. And wow, look at the speed. The speed is back. Wow. I don't know if you see what I see. Damn! I will make my own test after, but what I see here is just different. It's just different. So, damn. How it can be? This means that I make a good choice for using face first for my gaming laptop. I bought this for charging my phone or something, and because of this. But what I see here will resolve everything. Wow, this is completely something else, and continue to make the job. Wow. So this is better for NVMe SSD enclosure. Yes. Even with 40GB enclosure. This is just crazy. This is just crazy. Honestly. This is just crazy. I will make my own test after to see, but what I see here is just great, and very crazy. Wow. Damn. So, this is real. You have only this speed. Damn. Okay, no problem. Now I will take my phone and see how many I will have. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, bro. And don't forget to like and share, because this is amazing. This is good. This is nice. And this is wow. I love you. Thanks for watching. Because we support our channel, we use reference or PayPal. The link in the description. Go.